We think what it means is that anything that is advertised as a space or a service or a facility for women, it has to mean that it's biological women, otherwise it becomes a mixed-sex space. So obviously it doesn't stop people providing mixed-sex facilities, but I think that it would be...
So if you've been following this, you'd know that there's been a lot of issues, particularly with the sports and biological men, trans females competing against biological women, and it's caused a lot of disagreements. And then in the other arena of public services and female-only spaces, public toilets, gymnasiums, I mean, in some cases, you've had trans women who maybe still look quite a bit like men racking up in a female gym, for example, and using the female changing rooms to the displeasure of some of the female gym users. Now, when they've gone to complain, they've had the law against them. So in some cases, women have been arrested or, asked to leave the gym because the law says if somebody identifies as a woman, they're entitled to use the female spaces. All of this is now clarified, at least in the UK it is.
Very difficult to argue in practice that you're going to do away with women's spaces, because of course there are some women who would then be unable to participate in public life and they would be able to sue for discrimination based on the Equality Act. So I don't think that in practice they will be able to get... I know there's been a concern that
it doesn't change some people's lives, but it's a legal clarification, and that's what the women who brought the case to the Supreme Court classify as a big win. Now, there's something to do with the European Courts of Human Rights, which I think is where this argument is going to move to next, because they have a different perspective on these things.
Get rid of women's spaces, but I don't think that could happen in practice.
My girlfriend's mind was blown by the quality of the ingredients in this cleaning product. Hernia Fig is an all-natural counter cleaner that is made from the highest quality essential oils and cleaning surfactants. And the cleaning surfactant
ruling.
Well, as we've been reporting, the Prime Minister, Sir Keir Starmer, is under mounting pressure to make some kind of response to the Supreme Court's decision that the definition of a woman is based on biological sex. Of course, MPs...
There you go.